3D printing of carabiner. The base layer is your support layer over which your final product is based. If you can see, the layers are very fine because the layer height is just 0.1 mm. There is one fan for nozzle cooling. One fan is there for the filament cooling. This is for filament cooling, and this fan belongs to nozzle cooling, which works along with nozzle. But sometimes filament fan can be switched off in the G code itself. This is how your filament is fed to the nozzle from the spool. There is one fan here also. This is the display unit of 3D printer. This shows you nozzle temperature 210 as per the filament temperature. We are using PLA as the filament. PLA melts after 210. So we have kept 210 as the nozzle temperature. It's the bed temperature. For the PLA, corresponding bed temperature is 60 degrees. Here we can see the XYZ coordinates getting covered. This is the feed rate of the entire process. This is how much operation has been covered. 23% design is printed. In how much time it has required. 47 seconds has been consumed till now. Status is still printing. This is just like the mouse of the computer. We have the accessible key here for the 3D printer. SD card where G code is stored. These are the symbols showing fan is running, heating is going on. Thank you.